The brand new Open Nextion Genius series is here. This isn't just a screen. It's an ESP32-S3 development board with a powerful heart. With the Open Nextion Genius 3.5 ESP32-S3 touchscreen development board, we can create all kinds of cool terminal devices, like a music player. Now, I'm going to show you how to use this powerful touchscreen development board to build our music player. Here's what you'll need. We'll be using VS Code for this demo. First, install the ESP-IDF extension in VS Code add-on, and the environment setup tutorial in the link below the video. Once your development environment is set up, open VS Code. Click File. Open Folder in the top left corner. Find the downloaded O2_music_test example and click Select Folder. Click the Windows icon, or press the Windows key. Open the Start menu, type Device Manager, and open it. In Device Manager, expand the ports list. This shows all available serial ports. Connect the device to your computer via USB. The newly appeared COM port is the one you'll use for flashing. If you're not sure which one it is, look for the device name that includes CH3FRO. Take note of the COM port number. Here it's COM12. In VS Code, find the serial port configuration button in the bottom toolbar. From the drop-down, select your flashing COM port, COM12. Find the chip configuration button in the bottom toolbar and select ESP32-S3. ESP32-S3 chip via built-in USB JDAG. ESP-IDF will load the resources for this chip. This might take a moment, so please be patient. Once it's done, you'll see target ESP32-S3 set successfully in the terminal. Before flashing the code, make sure your environment is clean. Click the Clean button to remove any previous compiled cache files. After cleaning, click the Build button. This will compile the entire project. It might take a while, so please be patient. Once the build is complete, you'll see a pop-up saying Build Successful. Now it's time to flash the code. Click the Flash button. The first time you do this, you'll need to select the flashing method. In the VS Code pop-up, choose UART. ESP-IDF will handle the flashing. You can monitor the progress in the terminal. Once it's done, you'll see Flash has finished. Click the Monitor button. It'll open a terminal in VS Code that shows the device's log output. If you see an error like failed to initialize the card in the monitor terminal, it means you haven't inserted an SD card. Just unplug the USB cable, insert your TF card, and plug it back in. You should now see the device working properly with normal log output. Alternatively, instead of clicking these buttons one by one, you can click the One Chip Build button. ESP-IDF will then automatically handle build, flash, and monitor in one go, since we've already built the project once. The second build will be much faster. Just wait for it to flash the firmware. You won't need to click anything else during the process. That's all for today's demo. Hope you enjoyed it. Links to purchase the product and the wiki page are in the video description. Looking forward to seeing your discussions.